How to insert a vertical line on Microsoft Word. In this video, I'll show you guys how to do exactly that. So here I've gotten a random Word document, which I'm going to open up. And once you open up your Word document, let me just clear everything out. All right, so once you have done that, what you can do is simply go ahead and go to Insert tab. Here is a different language, so let me just change the language real quick. All right, so I've just changed the language. So what you need to do is in order to insert the vertical line, you just want to head over to the Insert tab and you can see different kind of options here. Head over to Shapes, click on this drop down, and then you'll see your recently used shapes and you have the lines option right here. Click on this line. Now what happens is if you try to draw a straight line, it will not work because you cannot adjust the angle. But what you can do instead is click on the line and go to Insert again, click on line and hold the shift key on your keyboard. What it does is no matter where you go, it will just give you a straight line on 45 degrees angle, so you can choose wherever you want. I'm just going to do this and draw a straight vertical line. So here you have it. Here is a straight vertical line for you. Now you can do many things with it. You could change the shape outline, change the color of it. So let's say if I want it a bright purple color, I'm just going to choose this one. And on this, you also have an option to change the thickness of the line. So let's say if I want it something like this, I can do that. And you can make the dashed lines as well from here. Choose what kind of line you want. Let's say if I want this dashed line, I'm going to choose this. And right after that, you can also insert different kind of arrows. So you can have different kind of arrows on the line. So let's just choose this one. And finally, what you can also do is go to Shape Effect and add a different kind of effect on the line. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll see you on the next one.